Subscribe Teachme Guruji channel.
Hi everyone, this is Bhavika. I'm back with another chapter today. Our subject is going to be maths and it is for standard 1. Today we are going to count and circle the correct number. Okay, now here are options given to you, couple of numbers given to you. What you have to do is you have to count the objects, how much are the objects, and circle the correct number accordingly. Okay, our first object that is given to us is a duck and we have to count them now. 1, 2, 3 and 4. How many ducks do we have? We have 4. Now you have to tell me which is number 4 out of this. Is this number 4? Yes, it is. So we will circle this number as 4. So this is not number 4, even this is not number 4 because this is 7, 3 and 5. So the correct number is 4. Okay. Next we have is a cup. Okay, let's count how much is it. This is number 1, this is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. How many objects do we have? How many cups do we have here? It is 9. Okay. Is this number 9? Does it look like number 9? No, I don't think so. Is this the number 9? No, this is 2. Is this number 9? Yes, it is. So you will circle this number 9. Okay. In this way, you will solve this exercise in your notebook. Alright. Okay friends, so let's move ahead with some more examples. Okay, our next question what we have here, or our next object that we have here is stars. Okay, let's count how many stars do we have today. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. How many counts? How many stars did we count it? Those are 8. Now let's find number 8 in these numbers. This is number 1. No, it can't be 8. This is number 3. This is 6. You're right. And this is number 8. What do you think? Where should we circle it? Absolutely right. This is number 8. So let's circle the number quickly. Good. Very good. You're going good. Next object that we have here is tree. Now let's count how many trees do we have. 1, 2 and 3. Those are 3 trees we have. Now let's find the number 3 in this. This is number 9. It cannot be 3. 5 and this is correct. This is number 3. Let's circle the number. Alright, in this way in your notebook you will draw objects, as many objects from number 1 to 9. You will draw various objects and you will give in options for yourself and you will circle those numbers. You have to count and write those numbers and correct and circle it correctly. Alright, that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you have liked it, please click on the thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel. My channel's name is Teachme Guruji. And comment down below if you have any questions. Don't forget to like also. Thank you. Bye.